What's up, fam? Today we are coming to you with a burping challenge. See, we already burping.
That was by accident.
I'm eating on the onion ring, y'all.
We're not eating, okay? We're just drinking. So how y'all doing today? We have our favorite beverages because like every time we have something else, it doesn't work out. So we're gonna drink these. I am drinking me a Sprite.
I'm drinking me a Coke.
And what are you drinking, Nikila?
Water. No drinks.
Usually I will have a Coke, but I don't have a Coke today.
I got 2 burps.
What y'all drinking on? Okay. We came and took advantage of that half price today. Oh, wait. I think I got a brain freeze.
When you got a brain freeze, all you gotta do is put your thumb up on him and then hold your head back like that while you doing it.
I never heard of that. I need a straw. Give me one of them straws down there.
I'm the only one that's burping.
No, you're not. You're the only one. Well, you've been burping, but I've been burping too. Might be. Sometimes I can't burp when I have a real cold drink.
I like my drinks at room too.
I do too. Real strong drinks, I can't.
Burp a lot.
I can't really. I mean, real cold drinks, I can't burp. What kind of drinks make y'all burp? Yeah, we sitting next to my mama. I really wanted to prank her today, but I forgot this stuff at home, man.
We could have had it too.
I promised you I was gonna prank her. It's coming. I'm trying to keep it. It's kind of warm, cause if I let the window down, somebody else y'all gonna hear them. Maybe I should have got a Coke. I can't breathe. We trying.
That's so big. I'm ready to get back to eating my onion.
This is gonna be short, y'all, cause it's hard to burp.
Very.
Especially water.
Especially after you just got done eating.
I'm going on a cleanse though, so.
It's hard to burp, y'all, with a real cold drink.
This gonna make me.
Oh, there
Yeah! Oh, Lord. My mama. I burp good with water.
should never had all that makeup on.
I have to. You remember we danced our burps out?
Yeah.
See?
My bad.
My bad.
Yeah, boy! We gonna give y'all some. It just gotta roll out. Oh God.
You want to fuck this video. I remember.
How Jaleel be doing?
Those names
He
be
be-
well.
Wait, he
He,
like,
I ain't never did that before. That hurt. Like, can you do it? No, you gotta say, like, breathe the air.
I think I only burped 3 times.
stop! Why is you drinking my drink, boy?
See, because it's so
This
much
my drink.
in my
It's not
system.
just
Shit on my nerves.
It's my drink.
Oh my God. You know when something just,
My.
you just,
Say my drink.
please, just get over yourself.
No, ain't no more drink in there.
Anyway, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share the video. We will be having another burping challenge soon. Y'all see who is the burping queen. The burping queen of the family is Queen. That's her real name.
Yes.
So
Who behind
we gotta compete, Eric. You just not coming in. You just not coming in this thing.
Here y'all go.
Cause you've been hiding.
Here go onion ring.
Okay. Y'all remember to what? Be happy.